Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you where to find save game files and config files in 007 LearnLite on your PC. So first of all, we need to open File Explorer. After that, go to the drive where Steam is installed. In my case, it's installed in C drive, then program files 86. So we just have to access this Steam folder. So open it, then go to user data folder. Now select your username folder. After that, open this folder 3768760. So go inside this folder, then open remote folder, and these are your save files. You can copy them or move them wherever you want. Now to find the config files, we need to open the search bar on our computer and search here registry editor. Open it. It will ask you for your permission. Accept it by selecting yes. Now here we need to expand H key current user folder. After that, expand software folder. Under it we need to find folder called IO Interactive. So expand this folder here, then select 007 LearnLite folder. After that, you should be able to find all of your config files. If you want to make any changes under any of the config file, so let's say I want to change DLSS frame generation, then I need to double tap on it, then select decimal and type your value and select OK in order to change it. But before making changes, it's always recommended to have backup of these config files before doing any changes. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.